Welcome to our humble abode. Don't mind me just scooting around. Because I got the lump from my foot removed a couple weeks ago.
That's right.
Yeah, that was big. Here, let's turn on.
And this is our place. Sure.
Here we go. Too bright.
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
Okay.
That's okay. All right. Shall we do a little kitchen tour?
Yeah. Here we go. Alright, we love this place so much. It's been so wonderful living here. And we hate this grout, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know what to say besides how much we love this place. I guess we wanted to get a picture of what it looked like with us living in it before we take it all apart and move to New Zealand. But yeah,
right.
This is a pretty accurate representation of what it looks like.
Yeah, pretty real life, not super manicured.
Yeah.
All of our dishes out. It's hey, future Noah watching this, do you remember this plate? I bought it for $1. Also this water bottle. I don't know, maybe you'll still have it in the future. We'll see.
Yeah. And then our cups. I like all of our cups with our stickers and stuff.
Oh yeah.
I just recently started stickering this one, even though I've had it since I was in high school. I don't know why I waited, but that's okay. And then this one.
This one has cool stickers.
It does. On Brago. Noah got me this Dino Nugget sticker because I've been really into vegan Dino Nuggets lately. My Narwhal sticker, my Chicks Birding Club sticker. I love this one.
Yeah.
This is one of my favorites. Breckenridge. We went there the summer before we moved here. My cat bread sticker. It's a classic.
Is it a purebred?
Yes.
Hey.
Tucson. Tucson was great.
So tasty. I mean, the food. Not the soup.
We ate Tucson.
We ate Tucson, that's right.
Alright. This is our fridge. Reg the fridge.
Reg
He's
the
the
fridge.
best. He's not making any noises right now, but he does make a lot of squeaks.
Yeah, pretty soon all
Sputters.
this will be gone.
Yeah, all of our little decorations.
Our watercolors.
Yeah.
I've really been into chicken. I've always been into chicken. I don't know why I even mentioned that. Maybe in the future I'll be into
Lamb.
moon chicken. I don't know.
Moon chicken?
Future crazy stuff.
Lab-grown chicken.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah. I love our little watercolors with your
Oh, yeah.
surfer in the
My little
sky.
Surfer dude.
Oh wait, he's at the water.
Yeah.
This is a wave.
Mhm.
And then my whale with a polka dot tail.
We can't forget the sun going, yeah!
That's good fun. I made this in elementary school. Isn't that cool?
That's cool.
This is our dishwasher. It's really bad,
Very
actually.
bad.
So bad at its job. So is the dryer.
Yep. Hey Noah, future Noah, do you remember these shoes?
Yeah.
What about those shoes? Or those? Or those? Or those? Or these? In 3 days you're going to be donating them. Because in 3 days you're going to quit the La Jolla Beach and Tennis Club job. You remember that one? Crazy.
Brief, but boof-filled.
Boof, yeah. There's my skate stuff. All of our board games we're going to give away. Andre's bouquet that she's trying to give away.
Our little memorabilia.
That's right.
Mostly my memorabilia.
My hockey pucks.
Yeah.
That's important.
You already got rid of your little Lego car, but
Yeah.
that,
Some little kid is going to enjoy that.
yeah.
Oh,
Yay.
let's show
Oh, our patio. deck.
our nice patio.
The balcony. I always get the word wrong.
Oh yeah, perfect. And the train. It'll be nice not hearing a train, especially at night.
Oh god, the freight trains.
Yeah. But here was our little patio. We've had many beautiful, amazing breakfasts. A great way to start the day, or end the day even, just chilling here, observing our A little valley, Rose Canyon.
With all the trails.
Here's our gear shed. There used to be a bike here. Crazy. I'm giving this to Anya. These are gonna give to Aunt Cindy's family. The slack line, probably I'll give it to Ian. The stand-up paddleboard, give it to Anya.
I'm yawning and you're sneezing.
Yeah.
Wild morning.
Oh man, I'm gonna miss all of our succulents.
Yeah. I need to water them, honestly. I think they're probably, well, this one looks a little crusty.
But Benny,
Yeah, he's
doing
huge.
great. This is Clementine.
That's... Oh wait, we don't have Eve anymore.
Yeah, Eve is gone.
That's Clementine, yeah, that's Clementine. And this is... What did we name this one?
I don't even recognize it. I didn't even know you had it, to be honest. It just kind of showed up out of nowhere.
This is Cherry, right? No, Jerry.
Oh, Jerry and
Cherry, and Clementine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cherry used to be more red, but she's not red anymore.
And Chris Pine.
And Chris Pine. We've had Chris Pine since like maybe 2021.
Yeah. Who could forget Chris Pine? Oops. Alright. What else? Oh, let's show your cool new backpacking pack.
Yeah. That's my old one in the corner. I went on a lot of adventures with it.
Yep, and now it's time to retire it.
Well, it's being used by Sophia.
Yeah.
It'll have a new life.
Yeah.
I forgot about those things.
Me too. Okay.
Oh, I hope I still have this water bottle in the future.
Oh yeah, this one's so
Yeah.
cool. I convinced Andrea to get it, and she says she loves it like every second.
I do love it. It's the best.
Anza Borrego.
And oh look, I decorated my therapy shoe. I'm not
Oh, yeah.
wearing it right now, but that's okay. I don't think I need it.
Yeah. These are Andrea's walking sticks for her recovery.
Yep.
This is our bed. It was very nice while we had it.
It looks very plain right now. We used to have a duvet cover, but then it ripped to shreds.
That's right. Here's Andrea's vision board.
Yeah. I love that vision board.
It's so funny that that's there because I'm recording on a camera like that with a tripod.
Yeah.
The vision has become the view. I like that. Okay.
Yeah.
And then here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm going to be giving away mango sticky rice.
To
My
Shannon.
prized longboard.
At least it's going to Shannon.
Yeah. I'm glad that it'll be going to Shannon and she'll enjoy it.
Yeah.
That makes me happy.
This is all the stuff we're getting rid of.
That's right. But my skis, I'm going to keep.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm gonna be sad to get rid of. I never gave this one a name, but this shortboard was so kick butt, so good.
Its name could be Kick Butt.
Kick butt, yeah. Here's my vision board. A lot of New Zealand stuff.
Yeah, that's where we'll be in like a month.
Oh man. Anza Borrego, classic Fonts Point,
Can you tell we love Anza Borrego?
Hawaii volcanoes. That's the iiwi bird. Ben made that for me.
It's so epic.
I love this quote. Yeah, we'll be there soon. Mammoth. Money. I love that stuff. Oh, Andrea, tell us about your new backpack.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's the best. Okay, so I tried a different one that looked really cute. And it was like, but it was so painful. Like it actually bruised me when we tried to go backpacking. The backpacking was super fun, but the backpack was not. And so I returned it at REI because REI has a great return policy, at least in 2025.
Before
and-
the apocalypse.
Who knows? The way the state of the country is right now, you never know. But anyway, I ended up getting this REI brand one, and it is amazing. It is so cool. It has all the right padding without it being too much, and like flexibility without it being too much, and it's like the right amount of back support without it being like too overly structured and like making my back do weird things. And then it comes with a rain cover in here.
Oh yeah.
Which is so nice. And then it has like cool water bottle slings here so that are really easy to reach when you have the pack on. And these like little hip pockets are really nice. And these other water bottle pockets that are just normal but still really nice. And then this top completely comes off. I just spit on my bag. That's funny. Okay. Completely comes off, and it can turn into a little day pack if you want to just like go on a little day hike from your camp spot. Isn't that cool?
Which
so
is so
cool.
so clever.
Yeah, really clever. Very good design by REI here. Oh, and then another thing that's really nice is that it has this like stuff pocket here, and it opens from the top for like easy grab, so you can just open it almost like a duffel bag and just grab stuff instead of having to like take everything out from the top. And yeah, I love this bag. The color is really nice. I think I'll blend in with the trees in New Zealand. It'll be nice. And yeah, I'm super excited to take this bag out backpacking when we're in New Zealand and wherever else we end up in the world.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Anything else for our tour?
Well, I sort of already took apart my bookcase a little bit, but I have pictures of what it used to look like.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And then I made this.
You did, when, like, early on when we were dating, like the first year or two?
Yeah, I made that. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Here's my closet. Lots of stuff for fun adventures. Glucosamine for knee joint health. Oh, my San Diego towel.
Yeah.
Our stripy shower curtain. Me. Andrew.
Yeah.
Alright. Is that it?
Did you get my closet?
Let's
Not
see
that
your
it's that
closet.
exciting, but
Yeah,
my
you got your
wetsuit.
wetsuit.
Yeah. My hat.
Cool hat that you got at
My
Coronado Island.
my running bladder thing.
Oh yeah.
Our sun hats.
Oh, yeah.
They're complimentary.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta show my patches.
Oh yes.
Oh, and you should show yours. Oopsies.
You're right.
Okay. My patches on my backpack that I really love.
They're
Noah
so
got me
cool.
into this trend.
Yep.
Canyonlands. That was amazing. It's like an understated, like less busy Grand Canyon in Utah. Utah's amazing. And then the Bellingham flag. Hawaii volcanoes. This is my favorite patch. Isn't it so cool? We
nice.
went to see the stars at the top of a volcano, so this feels so fitting.
That was
And
amazing.
it was amazing. It was like the most stars I've ever seen in my whole life. Arches, very cool.
Mm-hmm.
This quail
The
patch
cutest
that
patch on earth.
I got it in Idlewild. It's so adorable. Oh,
Look
it's
at
so
that. Very
cute.
cute little buddy.
Aw. And then Mammoth. Noah got this one for me.
Yep.
And he didn't give it to me until we went to Mammoth together, and that was like not a year later, but like at least 6 to 8 months later.
Yep.
Asparego. The only one that I don't have that I really wish I did have is Joshua Tree.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
It's okay. We have plenty of space for more patches from New Zealand.
Yeah.
And then, excuse the mess, we're getting rid of all this stuff because we're doing a big move. But here's my patch collection. I also have Anza Borrego, Starry Night, This is the first one that started it all. Sand Harbor, Lake Tahoe. You can tell how sun-faded it is, but it's just so blissfully dreamy. Lake Tahoe is heaven on earth. This one I got at a Encinitas farmer's market thing, and I just saw it and I liked it, and it said Encinitas on it.
Very cool.
Yeah. Mauna Kea. There's snow at the top, which is the coolest thing ever. Snow in the middle of the ocean. This actually used to be on a hat that I had since I was like 5 years old when we went to Disney World. Koloko Honokohau. It's where I saw a wild sea turtle for the first time in my life. It was amazing. And that's Maui's Fish Hook, of course. Come hell or high water. That's a good mantra that I've been living by. Me and Andrea have been living by, like, no matter what. We're sticking together. We're chasing our dreams. Hawaii volcanoes. Oh, such a magical area. Definitely go. Mammoth. Such a beautiful spot. I love the Eastern Sierras. California State Park. You know, you gotta represent and support places that preserve nature. Already visited that one. Oh yeah, and this one also used to be on a hat that I got for free at my first job that I got upon moving to San Diego. And this backpack, honestly, it's like what, 10, 12 years old.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see. Anyway, is that about it?
I think that's about it. Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Stand. Oh, we can stand.
Thanks for watching, future us. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world.
Oh, I'm excited to see where we go. Aw,
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. All right. See you later.